Tara, luto tayo. Start by sauteing some garlic until fragrant, followed by red onion. Saute for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After that, pwede mo nang ilagay yung manok. Commonly, ang ginagawa, nagpapakulo ng chicken breast tapos hinihimay-himay. Pero ako, to save time, ganito na yung ginagawa ko. Hinihiwa ko lang ng maliliit yung manok tapos sinasabay ko na siya sa pagigisa. Pero kung ganun yung gusto nyong process, go ahead. Sa ganito, saute mo lang hanggang magkakulay yung manok, then season with pepper and patis to taste. After that, pwede nang ilagay yung elbow macaroni, about 300 to 400 grams. Kung gusto nyo ng ibang klase ng pasta, pwede rin naman. Add in 1.5 liters of water. Kung meron kayong chicken stock, mas okay. Kung wala, gaya ko, tubig lang yung ginamit, add 1 chicken cube. Cover this and bring to boil. Once boiling, simmer